Hey guys, check this out. I'm here with Bill, old school fabricator, and I was amazed when I saw this. Pontiac Chieftain, right, Bill?
Yeah, 53. What's left of it?
Very cool. Completely custom fabricated front windshield. Notched channel frame. This piece he whittled away from nothing. Willwoods up front. How much did you take out of the section? Looks like about 20 inches. There's the dash. Man, what kind of dash is this?
It's also the same car.
Whoa, Chieftain. Love these Halibrands. Slicks. By fall, huh? Wow. Love what you did with the back here, too. That's like a flipped up fin from the top, and you put it on the bottom. Man, beautiful.
Yeah, it's all parts and pieces. Like the centerpiece in the back is part of the roof. This piece here, that's part of the hood.
It's the hood.
This is a 57 rear window.
Oh, yeah.
The moldings on the bottom here
Yeah.
are flipped around from side to side
Huh.
to get the angle the right way. Because they ran through the middle, I usually cap off the bottom.
Oh, wow.
Cut off the ends.
Yep.
Flip the ends from side to side in the same type thing.
The 57 Buick, I was so enamored by that rear window with the, the three-piece design. I didn't even realize that you made it into a windshield.
Yeah. Cool look to it like that.
Very cool.
Decide when it's done, it's going to be tapered, flowing into the back, and
Oh.
like that. But we're working up on it.
Yeah, it's got a 350 over here with the stacks. It's gonna make it all feel injected. Sitting pretty under the cover. Okay. The last thing we need is that falling down. This is the jewelry right here. Check this out. Oh my God. 350?
Yeah. Like I said, it's all
Stacks too. Jeez,
changed over
that's
to the new fuel
incredible.
injection.
Yeah. Very cool. Love all the fittings, the old school wheeling up front, wheeling valve covers.
The same thing. It used to have a fuel pump that stuck out of it.
Oh.
Welded it shut.
Huh.
Put all the fins back in so you can't see it.
Whoa, it looks like factory that way.
Yeah. I did the same thing with the valve covers.
Oh.
Used to have holes in it.
Oh.
The hole here and the hole here.
Wow.
Yeah.
Very cool.
You know how to do crazy you want.
And I noticed this sitting over here. I didn't even know what it was at first. It's a French car.
Yeah.
Facial Vega. This car is more expensive than the Lincoln back in the day. How long have you owned this?
About 15 years.
Wow.
90% of it done, the motor's done, drivetrain's done, the body's done.
That's
I got
killer.
a gasket kit for it. I'm waiting on the guy to do the stainless steel for me,
Yeah.
and he never got it accomplished, and that's sort of what I'm up to.
Oh, wow. Man, this thing's gonna be killer. Whoa. Never seen that before.
Okay.
This quad setup. What the heck? It's a cross ram? Bill, what is this setup here? It almost looks like a cross ram, but it's the intake system.
It's an old Mana Free, they called it. It's 4 2-barrels.
Wow, that looks bitchin'. Oh, with the old school distributor on it too. Man, look at the front of this thing. That's gonna be sick.
That front fender there,
Yeah.
first 6 inches of it, I made it.
Oh, no wonder it looks so cool.
When I stripped the headlight up front there,
Yeah.
this whole section.
Wow.
When I took it apart, I started stripping it. It was like beer cans and like that. I was like, oh no.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I took it all apart and I fabricated all the sheet metal and like that. And,
Wow. That's cool. I love how you use these integrated.
yeah, that was going to be.
Such a pretty piece. Is that a Model T on the wall? Model T on the wall?
No, another Model A.
Model A. Cool.
31.
31, yeah. Very cool. Well, Bill, thank you so much for showing us your garage. And this car is unbelievable.